Hey, what's up, guys? Once again, thank you for watching my other videos. I really appreciate it. I have a lot of fun reading your guys' comments and reactions. If you can, please drop a like and a subscribe so I could be less lazy and post more videos. If you'd like to recommend or request any classes for me to play, I might take a look. I think most likely I'm looking at Paladin as my alt, but then I'm going to have one more power pass. And I'm not sure. I think I might save it for the new classes coming. I think martial artist. Anyway, my last video was really long and a lot more in depth. And in this one, I'm kind of just not going to knock out, 2 or 3 bread and butter combos. So let's just jump right into it. So this build, you have 2 main combo starters, or I guess 3 technically if you count Tempest Blast. But your main one really is going to be Force Orb, because the hitbox is so huge and the animation travels so fast, and you could potentially knock up. I mean, if you hit it perfectly, if the stars align, you can knock up 3 opponents if you're playing 3v3, and then your friends, your allies can get a combo starter. So let's take a look at this hitbox. So I mean, if they're even lined up like this, take a look at this. Oh, wait, what? Oh, sorry. I swear to God, I saved this like 3 times and it's not doing it. So hold on. I swear, I swear I've done this like 3 times. Let's take a look again. There we go. So you see, I hit all of these. So if this was a PvP scenario, actually, I shouldn't be using these enemies. They're no good. These are a lot better. They can actually be juggled, so just summon a couple of these. Right, so this, for some reason the Scarecrow doesn't get juggled. So as you can see, let's take a look here. Right, so that's going to be your combo starter. When things get knocked back, and then again we have Magnetic Palm. And then finally, your final combo starter, which is a bit harder to land because it takes so long to charge up, is going to be Tempest Blast. And you're going to see all of this is a really great combo starter. And this could really catch me. This could be a combo breaker as well. Like what a lot of other classes like to do. Like a great example is Deathblade, because if you're going to PvP, you're going to be facing Deathblades. That's like the most popular class. But yeah, when they do like their little spin kick shit, you could literally do this and they'll just eat shit. Striker as well. There's quite a bit of Strikers. I think Striker is the most popular martial artist in PvP, I'm pretty sure. Soulfist and the other I think War Master is it called? Yeah, they're not very popular. Anyway, so we'll just get in the first combo. And basically what you're going to do is land Force Orb and extend the combo with Flash Step and get your all 3 damage buffs from Flash Step, all your damage buffs from Lightning Palm. And then you're gonna have a combo finisher, Deadly Finger, and then if their dodge is down, if you can extend the combo, you're gonna want to end with Heavenly Squash. So let's just take a look at how this looks. Right, so that's the whole combo, just like that. Another quick tip as well is you always want to start the battle in Hype 1 because it lasts so long, but you don't want to use just make sure that when you have a hit or when you are anticipating to get a hit, you go into Hype 2, because the damage difference is just colossal between Hype 1 and Hype 2, as well as your energy consumption. You can't even really do a full combo very well if you're in Hype 1. So ideally you want to be in Hype 2. When you're fighting, see how fast this goes down. You kind of want to keep an eye on this meter, and right before it runs out, you want to try to get as much as your hype out of your hype as you can, because once you're in Hype 0, you're really going to struggle to be doing damage. So like just like this. So you want to make sure right before this runs out, you go into Hype 3, and then you do your full combo, and you'll be doing a ton more damage. Right, and the second one is going to be if you just get your Tempest off. We'll take a look at that. The only thing that sucks is these guys are trying to get in the corner. I mean, it's all right. So you see, like the range on it's pretty far. And the final tip I'm going to have for these abilities is you can actually animation cancel your Flash Step. So let's take a look at this. You could really cover a lot of ground. So you could either, there's two ways. You could either use your spacebar dodge and then press Q. So it's super fast. Or you could press Q and then do it. So we'll take a look at that here when this comes off cooldown. See if I can line these guys up a little bit better. Alright, so you see you could press spacebar and then Q, or is that what I did? I don't know, you press Q and then spacebar. Yeah, you'll really cover a ton of ground that way. So that's, yeah, I mean it's relatively simple to do combos. It's just all relative to what actually you can get off. So, and you don't actually want to be using energy release as, or I guess you can in your combos, but like I said in my last video, this is actually used mostly as a support ability to negate damage. So when you're predicting that the enemy is going to get some burst, or if you see that your ally is getting comboed, you can actually just lay this off, and it'll reduce all the damage they take by about 25%. So yeah, that's really good. So let's go back to combo 2. And then again, we'll just take another look at that combo. I mean, you could do the same thing with magnetic palm. So look, we should start. Yeah, palm, Q, W, Q, Q, E. It's kind of sloppy. D, and then if they don't route all the way, you can try to finish with R. But yeah, that usually doesn't really work. They'll usually spacebar or something, wig out. So yeah, let's see. Let's do this again. So you're gonna want to get your combo starter, extend it, extend, 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 finish. All right. So again, just if you learn this one combo, this is basically all you need to get started. Is basically, you know, I don't want to say that's all there is, but I mean, you know, the combat's relatively simple. You know, just kind of like, it's like your main combo. I mean, the rest of it is going to be in, you know, your movement, zoning, your timing on your dodge. Again, don't forget about the animation cancel. It's very important. So again, just take one more look. So you're going to remember you're going to either using knocking them up with magnetic palm, or stunning them with this. So you can see how fast. Oh, so I ruined the combo. Next time this comes up, I'll show you that combo too. But you'll see here. So again, the main combo is going to be force orb into flash step, lightning palm, flash step. Combo finisher is deadly finger, and then as they're coming down, hit them with heavenly squash. So again, let's take a look at that real quick. Again, you want to make sure you're at least in height 2 when you're fighting. Yep. So that's insane. That is an insane amount of damage, especially when you're in hype 3. I mean, you could literally, if they eat the whole thing, like depending on the class, like Deathblade. I mean, that's a great thing. I really love this class when you're fighting Deathblade, because you could literally do chunk like 70% of the health. But again, let's take a look. So example of Temper. I'm gonna show you an example of the animation cancel with Tempest Blast. So you're gonna see I'm gonna hit Tempest Blast, Q, right, and then just extend the combo. Yep, very cool. I guess you could even end with an S if you think that they might land a hit if you can't get out, or if your dash is out. Yep, and that's basically it. So again, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Next video that's coming out, I'm not sure. I'm going to try to post at least once every 2 days. But thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time.